What is going on, YouTube world? Welcome back to a brand new video here. And today we have a special video. This is a video dedicated to Smartdevil. I want to give a shout out to Rico. They basically sent me a screen protector here that they have for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. They have other options for other phones as well. It's not just the 9 Pro. I just told them or requested a Pixel 9 Pro version because I didn't have the latest iPhone, and it would have made sense to show a screen protector for a phone that's a flagship here. But yeah. If you look at Smartdevil here, you can get it on Amazon. It's at the price of $19.99 if you want to get it for the Pixel 9 Pro. You also got a 10% coupon there if you want to go ahead and do that. But I will have a video link in the description if you guys wanted to purchase it that way. Now, personally, I prefer the privacy ones. As you can see, it turns black here. We can turn it to the side. But I want to see the installation process of this because it's supposed to be a simple installation process. You put the phone in the case here, and then you pull the tabs and all that good stuff. So we're going to be finding out how easy it is all together at the same time here. So I'm going to have my pry tool here. Got to get this thing ripped open. All right, so here we have the Smartdevil little envelope bag with accessories. I believe you're going to have like your microfiber cloth and all that good stuff. Film tool installation kit, so you get that. Oh, you get several of them. So got a couple more here. Put that to the side. All right, and then we have, oh, more plastic. The smart pull box. So I'm assuming you just pull this open. All right, yeah, you pull that open there. And what's this here? Oh, stuck to the box. All right, boom. And you also get a camera protector. That's always a good, nice thing to have as well. I got one on the, I thought I had one on the back. I don't. I used to have one in the back, but I took it off. So it does give you instructions here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know what I'm doing here, but we are about to learn it all together. If anybody wants this membership as well, you can have it. There it is, a little QR code there. Anybody, y'all want that, you can have it there. And personally, I appreciate the opportunity to do videos like this because sometimes you're looking up a company and you never heard of them before as far as screen protectors or anything to protect the device. And you don't see any dedicated videos on YouTube a lot of the time. So I'm happy that I have the opportunity to show you guys what this looks like here, especially with the Pixel 9 Pro, because most people have iPhones these days, you know, and they're not going to be showing you how to apply a screen protector on the Pixel 9 Pro. All right, so let's get a wipe down here of the Pixel here, because I got a microfiber, you guys can already see. Get a nice little wipe down on the bad boy. And then we're going to put it face down here. Ooh. All right. Make sure it's in there real good. And then close it down here. And firmly press on the box, because that's how I am. Firmly press on it, and then we just pull. All right, and just hold. All right, so that should be it there. All right, so let's see how that thing turned out. Take that off there. And boom, screen protector is on with no bubbles. And that thing looks good too, man. Takes up the entire display. Oh yeah, that looks good. Unlock it here. Oh, let me turn that brightness down. Pixel 9 Pro has a super high brightness. And yeah, man, it's on there good too. Go ahead and zoom that, cut that screen off there. You guys can see no air bubbles or anything. So shout out to Smartdevil, man. If you put it on right and apply it correctly, you're not gonna have any issues. Look at that, turn it to the side. You don't see any air bubbles at all. So yeah, man, if you guys want this product, man, check it out. I got the link in the description. I approve of it. It actually did a really good job. It's pretty centered as well too. You can't get too much better than that. But anyway, let me know in the comments section below if you guys want to see any more videos describing or talking about the Google Pixel 9 Pro here. It's one of my favorite phones of the past year and quite some time, actually. Be sure to like the video, share it with your family and friends, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. And shout out to Smartdevil again for the product. I'm a fan of it, and you guys should get one too. Peace.